Bitcoin already hitting the previous low. Are we at the resistance? Should we run right now? Or there is something secret moving going on in the chart. Today, I'm going to give you the honest insights from the chart. And click like right now, subscribe, and share with your friend. This is only for education purpose. Now we look at weekly chart. So with the traditional method, you can see here is one of the resistance. That's why we stop here, right? Here right now, we are not moving up, but we are not moving down. And there is a cause here. We have a long lower wick. But what is the insights from here? Because we are here at the previous resistance, previous low. Now we are still under that. Should we run right now? Today I'm going to show you something. Maybe we have a chance to go above it. So the first thing we look at, my indicator first, W for the weekly chart. First thing, the market cycle, we are still downward because the blue is still downward. We look at market cycle very easy. Look at purple and blue. That's it. When purple is still downward, you don't expect a big bull one here. Okay? We need the purple to go upward because the purple is the long-term chart. Okay? The regular chart is the blue line. The blue line still go downward. We have some hope from the red because the red is going upward. But so far, the market cycle is still downward. So this is a rebound. This is a rebound. Short term upward, regular term downward. So this is a rebound. We're still under the blue. One more thing. We have the hope also because we have YM chips entry. It means institution, they did come in here. They did come in here. This green candle happened. It doesn't mean we need to follow right away because we are not institution. Institution have unlimited money. They go into the chips, they go into the stock patch by patch. They go in when it's relative low, relative low. We don't need to go in every single time because we don't have unlimited money. Okay. I want to give you the insights how to go in before they raise up. So we save time, we save money. Does it make sense? And also to help us to manage the mental stress. Okay. I don't want you to hold for 1 year and it's moving up, moving down, doesn't make any progress. We better to buy here. Does it make sense? And then add our position here. Does it make sense? You add your another position here. Does it make sense? So we can see this from this chart and also we can see this from the up. Okay, so in many of my video I measured, but today I'm going to give you the insights because we are now between two lines, between the blue, between the red. So what is going on? So basically, when they are between both, we not yet they were fluctuating inside. Okay, we not yet making the decision. When people panic, because right now we are almost touching the blue, but not yet touching the blue. One keyword, we don't have a red candle yet. So you don't need to be panic. We don't need to be panic. At least you need to wait the red candle here. Okay. So if you want to run away faster than the red line usually we use this to cut gain or cut loss. Does it make sense? Because the blue line is still going downward. When the blue line go downward, we play short term. We buy low, sell high. So here is the low, sell when they drop below the red. But you can reduce when they flash a red candle, but not yet. We can still see the money is okay. You still see the big volume trader for weekly chart is still going upward. So this is quite good. When we go back to the daily chart, you can see more detailed thing because this adds faster. Blue line, what is the direction right now? Yes, upward. So basically, we are in the upward trend. Purple line, upward trend. So we expect they still go upward. And now, one thing I want you to see big volume trade, the YM big buy here. They trap big volume trade. You see they are downward. It means the red is selling. It's selling more than the buy. And they go downward. And here go under the zero. But another chart, YM cheapest, actually is quite stably going up. Look at this purple line. Do you see this purple line? So it's stably going up. So basically what happened is institution holding is increasing here, but big volume trader, they are moving out. Why? Because big volume trader, they are not long-term hold. They actually buy low, sell high. Does it make sense? You don't expect Warren Buffett or any fund manager like keep buying, keep selling all the time with the big lump sum. It's not common to play like that. Do they do, but with a small lump sum. So they will track with the YM big buy. Okay? So one more thing. Do we need to run now? Look at this chart. Do we need to run now? The answer is no, because they did not drop below the blue. And the blue did not really change downward. Does it make sense? I told you many times, Bitcoin, myself, I don't do short-term trade because the spread or the commission they charge is too much. I prefer to hold for the whole market. A swing trade or you hold the total market cycle. So right now, if we look at the whole market cycle, we look at the monthly chart. Let me hide the drawing for you to easy how to see the market cycle with the red line. Here go up is to buy, here go down is to sell, and we even flash a down signal here. Okay, so again, buy, sell. That's it. Actually, here is reduce. Here you sell everything. Does it make sense? Here also same. Buy here, get your capital out, let the profit run because the red is still go upward. Sell everything here because they change downward. This is the maximum your profit gain. If you see yellow candle getting close to the red line, you can also use daily chart to do some trade. Okay, it's the same thing. So now this is the market cycle. Now, if you're a long term investor, there is no buy signal. I can tell you very confirmed because every time the first thing they need to go above the red, then the red change the direction. Always here, we're not yet there. They're trying to get above, but not yet there. Okay, so we still okay. The good thing is, I mean, it's still not the time to buy the long-term red. People think, wow, this red right now, this look at this number is 76,500. So right now, how come we cannot buy? Because right now we are on the 1st of May. This candle is not yet closed. We need this to be closed first. So don't be so rushed, okay? This is for long-term investor. If you want to buy at the beginning of the bull market, do this strategy. If you want to do the swing trade, use weekly chart. Weekly chart, you can use the swing trade for weekly chart like here. Okay, the best is when they go above the blue. Okay, but not yet there. Okay, not yet there. We're still waiting. That's why the swing trade you can buy here. You buy around 66,000 this level. This level. Okay, right now we don't have a stop gain signal yet. We don't have a so for swing trade. Okay, so you can also see there's a W, but W doesn't matter anymore because I told you before, Bitcoin before also have a W. It's quite common to have a W. Okay, I show you some example. For example, here is the W, right? W. Here is W, but they drop below. So W really doesn't matter for Bitcoin because they have quite easy to create a W anyway. So for so if you trade Bitcoin with the daily chart, use daily chart method. Right now we don't have a stop gain. We don't have a stop gain yet. Okay, so if today is the last day for the 50% off for my program, for my product, if you want to have this indicator, if you want to make money, seriously, save your time and make money for your family, for your dream, for your time, this is the last chance. So grab the chance. And after today, I will remove the promotion. So see you next video. Everyone, have a great weekend. See you. Bye.